What's my favorite math equation? Pi, of course. We're making pie today. We're making this delicious chocolate avocado cream pie. I promise you it is worth the extra time it takes to make it. It is creamy, it is rich but not too rich. It is just the right amount of decadence, melt in your mouth, buttery pecan crumbliness. It's just so perfect. This pie is guilt-free. There's no refined sugar. It's gluten-free and vegan. It's practically a health food. Who's ready to make some pie? Let's start with the pie crust. You will need 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 3 tablespoons of grapeseed or avocado oil, 3/4 cups of brown rice flour, 1 cup of pecans, plus 2 tablespoons to garnish, and 4 tablespoons of agave nectar. For the filling, you will need 2 large or 3 small avocados, peeled and pitted, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a can of full-fat coconut milk, half a cup of agave nectar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla or 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and half a teaspoon of sea salt. To make the pie crust, put 1 cup of the pecans in the bowl of a high-speed blender or food processor and process to a fine crumbly meal. Once you're done, transfer that to a large mixing bowl. Next, you are going to add your dry ingredients, so the coconut sugar, baking powder, sea salt, and rice flour. Mix all those together until they are well combined. Pour the oil and agave nectar into a small bowl and mix them to combine. Pour this into the pecan mixture and stir thoroughly until it's all well incorporated. Go on ahead and spoon this mixture into your tart pan. Dampening your fingers with some water, use your fingertips and press to distribute the mixture evenly on the bottom and the sides of the pan. If your fingers do end up getting pretty sticky, just rinse them and repeat this process. Once you're done, freeze the crust for 25 minutes. Once it's chilled, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. Then let it cool completely in the pan. Meanwhile, let's prepare that delicious chocolate cream filling. In the bowl of a high-speed blender or your food processor, add in your avocados, cocoa powder, coconut milk, agave nectar, coconut oil, vanilla or almond extract, and sea salt. Blend that on high until it's perfectly smooth with no green avocado chunks. Oh, look at that, it's so yummy. All right, you've got your baked pie crust ready to be filled. Spread that filling on your chilled pie crust and garnish it with the remaining chopped pecans. Feel free to toast those remaining pecans in the oven while it's cooling for about 2 to 3 minutes. I highly suggest that you chill this pie in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours so that the cream has enough time to set and it's not just going to completely fall apart when you slice it. There is just nothing to feel guilty about eating in this pie. It's not full of refined sugar, it's full of healthy fats. The crust is made out of nuts, for crying out loud. It is just so good and you just have nothing to feel bad about. Dig in and just enjoy this delicious, guilt-free chocolate avocado cream pie. You're welcome. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna go make yourself some pie. Let me know below in the comments if you have any questions. And as always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, I'm disgusting. Look at that neck hair. Sweat. Ew. My bangs sticking to my forehead because I'm sweating so much. Ah! Don't get bangs in the summer. Please do yourself a favor. Just don't do it. Sweat. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah, you see that sweat? Oh, that's disgusting. freaking hot.